100 Daily Conversation. Dialogue 1. Taking a walk.
Alex, are you up already?
Yeah, I got up at 6 today. It's such a beautiful day. It's sunny, but it's not hot at all. Flowers are also starting to bloom down the street. I'm thinking that maybe we should take a walk. I need to get some exercise. We were at home all the time last week because of the rain.
Yeah, let's do that. I also want to get out and enjoy some fresh air.
Okay then, let's go after we have breakfast.
Oh hey, if we take a walk in the park, should we also go on a picnic?
You know what? That sounds like a fine idea.
What do you want to eat then? I think sandwiches would be a perfect choice.
Okay, we still have some canned tuna left. I'll make some tuna and egg sandwiches. I'll also bring some orange juice.
Sounds great. Let me go find our picnic basket and a blanket for us to sit on. In the bank. Today we will study activities in the bank. Let's watch this video and see what people do in the bank. Situation 1. How to open a bank card. Excuse me.
Yes, please. What can I help you with?
I want to open a bank card. Could you help me please?
What kind of bank card do you want to open?
I don't really know about it. Can you introduce about kind of card on your bank?
Of course. Do you already have a bank account in our bank?
Yes, I have used your bank for 3 years.
Okay. Let me tell you some information about our card service. Currently we are providing different types of bank cards. Each kind of bank card suits you for a different purpose. First, we have a debit card. This is the most popular card in our bank. You can use a debit card to pay for goods and services with money in your bank account. Besides, you are also able to transfer your money to other people through this card quickly and safely. You will have to pay $2 each month to maintain your card. In addition, the money in the account needs to be bigger than $5.
Will I have to pay a fee to open this card?
No, you don't need to do that. It's free.
I understand.
Next, you will also open a new credit card. It allows you to borrow our money to proceed with your payment. You have to prove your main account and your monthly income to be approved for this card. Our bank has a lot of incentive for bank holders who uses a credit card. So, I recommend you using this type of bank card.
That sounds interesting. I love this card.
If you often use international payment, you can open a Visa card. It helps you conveniently purchase in foreign countries.
Actually I never buy anything in other nations.
So, which type of card will you choose among them?
Credit card please.
Okay. Please fill in your information in this form carefully. Could you give me your identity card?
Here you are.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. After filling this form, you can sit here and wait for me for about 25 minutes. Then, you can go home and we'll send your credit card to the address you wrote in this form.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.